So tonight, we are offering you a mobile stockies package, no? But before you tanongin sa akin, magkano ba yung mobile stockies? Let me give you an understanding. Ano ba ang mobile stockies? Why IQMK created this package? Ang mobile stockies is an independent partner of IQMK Global with good standing. You are authorized and empowered to service your network organization with all of our products and later on services necessary to build your network. You are also an entrepreneur affiliate of IQMK Global with product inventory and able to serve iPartners. So alam naman natin, no, in any retail business, you have to have product. Kasi what if may gusto nang bumili sa'yo, di ba? Kailangan mo pa bang pumunta sa office or may kumatok sa door mo ngayon? Bibili sa'yo ng maskape, di ba? So maganda, you have your own inventory so that you can immediately serve the order. So yun po yung concept ng mobile stockies. So now, how much ba yung mobile stockies package ni IQMK? It is only for 100,000 pesos and you will get products in retail value of 150,000 pesos, no? So retail value po ito, meaning if you sell the products on retail, yung 100,000 investment mo, pag nabenta mo siya, ang marirecover mo is 150,000 pesos, no? So may extra 50,000 products ka na dyan. Okay? So ano ba yung mga kasama dyan sa 100,000? Okay. So before that, no, ano ba yung mga benefits and compensation na meron ako bilang mobile stockies? Kasi I am not just an ordinary partner. I am already a mobile stockies. Okay? So first, you are on 12 months activated, meaning for the whole year. Okay? Activated yung account mo. However, you have to make sure na yung first level mo sa left mo at saka yung first level mo sa right mo are also activated or naka-maintain sila so that you can earn binary bonus, no? So it doesn't mean naka 12 months activated ka, you are earning binary bonus. Kailangan po, left and right mo, activated din. Then, meron kang service fee from all of your sales under your mobile stockies, meaning yung ikaw yung nag-serve. Ang maganda sa mobile stockies, no, you can serve any partner, your downline, your upline, or even your cross-line. Halimbawa, dito ka sa, let's say, nasa Fairview ka, merong partner na taga Fairview, you can serve them. And kahit wala sila sa organization mo, no, the company compensates you with service fee. Like yung mga digital marketing, okay, yung mga leadership training para ma-boost, no, yung iyong stockies. You will also be getting marketing collaterals every now and then kasi lagi naman tayong nagkakaroon ng mga tarpaulins, mga signages, no, that you can promote yung iyong stockies. Of course, copy ng mga visual aids for business opportunity and orientation meetings. You will also be recognized during company event, like for example, for ating mga Purple Night, and of course, sa ating upcoming anniversary. In fact, this year, we are reserving VIP tables sa lahat ng mga mobile stockies. So make sure you are seated sa VIP table, no? So meaning, be a mobile stockies. Okay? So ano ba yung mga kasama dyan sa 100,000? Since ikaw ay mobile stockies, you have to have all of the packages, all of the products. Kasi nga para kang store na anytime may bibili sa'yo, meaning you have to have the inventory. So these are all the product or and packages included sa iyong mobile stockies package, no? So, kung titingnan niyo siya, ang total value niyan is 125,000. Because the loose products are already priced at iPartner price, no? So, ibig sabihin yan, kung mabenta mo siya ng 1,750, which of course we don't, we're discouraging you na magbenta ng whatever, kung kakainin mo to or benta mo sa family member mo, okay? The value is still 125,000. Okay? Still, no, kung mabenta mo ito sa ganitong presyo, you still have 25,000 extra from the 100,000 investment. However, again, if you sell all of these loose products on SRP, you are able to recover 150,000. Okay? So, nakikita niyo po yung difference. Baka sabihin niyo, bakit kanina 150,000 tapos dito 125? Again, the value based on retail is 150,000. Based on SRP sa mga enrollment packages and iPartner sa loose products, no? That is 125,000. So, nakikita niyo po yung difference. Okay. So, next, yan. So, earlier, na-mention ko that as a mobile stockist, every time magre-replenish ka, no? By the way, itong initial package nyo na 100,000, you are not yet entitled for service fee. Okay. Sa next repurchase mo or replenish mo, okay, pag may bumili sa'yo, no, especially pag iPartner na siya, you have to remit sa office, minus nyo na po yung service fee. For example, if someone buys a platinum package sa'yo, imbis na 25,000 ang babayaran mo sa office, you can already take the 500 service fee. Meaning 24,500 na lang yung i-remit mo. Okay? So again, i-replenish namin sa iyo yung product, bibigyan ka namin ng codes kasi ni-replenish mo siya. Okay? So nasusundan po natin, service fee can be deducted from the payment ng replenished order. Okay? So this will only happen once mag-replenish po tayo. Okay? So again, the 100,000 package is not yet entitled for service fee. Okay? Next. So, tanong naman, no? So, 100,000 po na, let's say may 125 values based on iPartner price. Other than the 25,000, what do I get? Okay. So, this is a potential income simulation, no? Based on direct sponsorship if everything is encoded. Okay. So, meron kang isang platinum package, meron kang fast start bonus or yung tinatawag natin na direct referral na 2,500. Meron kang dalawang gold package na merong 1,500 fast start bonus. Tatlong anniversary package na magbibigay sa'yo ng 1,500. Okay. So, meron ka na, sa fast start bonus pa lang, meron ka ng 5,500. Now, remember, may mga loose product, and yung mga packages na yan, meron din silang binary points. Kung ilalatag or i-encode natin equally sa left and right natin, you have a potential income of 4,575. Okay. So meaning, dito pa lang may 10,000 ka ng income a week after. However, remember, nagbigay pa si company sa'yo ng free products that you are supposed to sell on retail. Yung 90 capsules natin, which is 4,000 per bottle times 5. So makaka-recover ka pa ng another 20,000. So meaning, no, all in all, meron kang 30,075 potential income, which is 30% return of investment. Nabalik na sa iyo yung 100,000 mo, kumita ka pa ng 30,075. Okay? Pera pa po dyan yung mga products, ha? na kung nabebenta nyo nga po siya ng retail. So again, this is a conservative potential income. Yan. So, tanong naman, no? Okay, may 125,000 product ako, may potential income na 30% ROI. Ano pa yung mga support ni IQMK sa akin bilang mobile stockist, no? Of course, nandiyan yung mga trainings. From time to time, no, you will be invited to attend trainings, whether on-site or online. You will also be accessible sa ating mga online marketing materials. By the way, as a mobile stockist, you will have your own e-store. Ano yung e-store? Meron kang separate back office para sa inventory mo ng mobile stockist. Nandyan lahat ng codes mula doon sa binili mong 100,000 that you can sell and give the codes doon sa bumili. Okay? So, meron kang virtual store. Ang laman ay mga activation, mga online marketing materials that you can use to promote your product and your store, no? So you can grab and promote sa lahat ng social media account mo, whether Messenger, whether Facebook, whether TikTok, whether Instagram, no? We have so many materials that you can use. Okay? Then of course, we are continuously developing mga stories being transformed, giving you a more powerful tool to promote the products. Okay? Then, we also have the drop shipping with after-sales service. No? Hassle-free product delivery po ito, meaning you can focus on promoting, selling, sharing the product sa social media platform mo, and we will take care of the delivery. Okay? You don't need to worry about the inventory kung nakulangan ka for now, no? We can deliver for you, and a week after, no, kikitaan mo na lang ng retail profit, no? So, we will take care of the logistics for you. And ang maganda sa dropshipping natin, we also have the after-sales service, no? A dedicated customer care staff will be calling your customer based on a 137 principle. One day after, no, to make sure na alam nila paano pag-take. 3 days after, tatawagan sila ulit, how's their experience? And 7 days after, no, tatawagan sila for any referrals. No? So, after sales service natin yon. Okay. So, again, no, maraming drop shipping facilities outside, but wala sila nung after sales service, which is actually important para continuous yung order ng customer mo. Okay? So, yan yung mga yan yung mga support system na provided ni ICOM, ni company, sa lahat ng ating mobile stockist. So, with this system, no, all you need to do is share, connect, and grow the business. Okay? So, napaka-solid po ng ating infrastructure with regards po sa ating mobile stockist package. Okay? So, tanong pa rin, no, after malaman mo na yung 100,000 na investment, ano yung product inclusions, yung ROI, ano yung support ni company, may tanong ka pa rin. Bakit ka magiging mobile stockist? So, syempre, you are promoting, sharing a premium and effective products, more value than sa ininvest mo. Low capital, 100,000 with high potential, with built-in infrastructure from end to end na, no? Meaning, until ma-fulfill natin yung order ni customer. Fast ROI with ready-to-sell package. Sabi ko nga, no? Kung mabenta mo yung mga packages na yan, no? Or ma-encode natin yan, 30% ng ROI ng investment mo is already your ROI. It's also a flexible business. You can work anytime, anywhere, no? So kung gusto mo ng part-time, then syempre expect lang natin na part-time income. But if you do this full-time, your income is unlimited. Ang maganda nga, no, as long as you have an internet connection, you can promote the product and we can take care of the delivery. Full support and proven system. Alam naman natin that multi-level marketing is the best, still the best industry with regards to promoting a brand and a product. Sabi nga ni di ba, ni Bill Gates, kung umpisahan niya ulit yung company niya, he will actually use MLM because this is an effective system that had created millions of millionaires. And one thing good, no, so 100,000 investment mo, you were doing a business of a global business. Your account is not just limited sa territory, sa area mo, sa probinsya mo, sa country serve up to 55 countries. Meaning, no, if you have customers in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, Hong Kong, Singapore, Germany, Belgium, London, Thailand, we can serve the products. Okay? Because we also have our e-commerce for global customers. Okay? So, napakaganda po talaga ng ating mobile stockies. Okay? So, ngayon naman, since most of you na nasa call are already a partner, ipopromote ko to, what do I get, di ba? So, a finder's fee of 8,750 goes to you as a direct introducer, no? Cash po ito. Then, you can also have a potential fast start bonus and binary bonus of up to 10,000. Depende po sa level ng activations, no? And also, depende rin kung how much yung iyong waiting points. However, no, pag meron ka ng 900 points waiting, you can actually have a potential income of 10,000 combined. Fast start bonus and binary bonus. So, from these two pa lang, no, from these two income pa lang, meron ka ng 18,750. But do you know, ang mobile stockies package natin, meron siyang more or less 1,000 points, which can accumulate, no, para sa iyong rank advancement. So, ang rank advancement natin, alam nyo naman na naka-promo siya since nandito tayo sa season or quarter ng ating anniversary. So, makakatulong po yung mobile stockies package para mag-advance in rank kayo from 1 star, 2 star, or even 3 star and 4 star. Imagine niyo po, if you can just get 5 to 10 of 100,000, which is equivalent to 1 million, do you know that you can be a 3-star executive? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nyo, no, once you become a star executive, you're opening another basket of income, which is the binary matching bonus. So, hindi pa po yan kasama dito sa potential income, no? So, kaya kayong mga star executive na nandito sa call tonight, bukod sa fast start bonus and binary bonus, no, meron pa po kayong binary matching bonus. Bakit? Kasi yung nag-invest, no, meron siyang binary income. Kaya kikitaan mo rin siya ng binary matching bonus. Kaya yung 18,750 is minimum, no? So depende po kung ano yung waiting points ninyo. Okay? So both sa investor at sa introducer, no, napaka-lucrative nung inyong compensation with this 100,000 package. Okay? So, I know most of you, marami na kayong naiisip na pwedeng mag 100,000. Yes, no? Kasi, Ito na yung perfect timing. Bakit? Sabi ko nga, the wellness industry is blooming, no? And ang products natin are unique. Ano yung unique selling point natin? Tayo lang yung merong muscadine grape actives. Wala po tayong kompetensya sa market. Again, back up ng science. So, don't wait, no, until everyone else catches up. So, ngayon pa lang po, nandito tayo, may niche yung product. And as an eye partner, you have the leverage because you have already experienced the power of the product.